right. We need to talk to those people. They can't be playing with our lives like that. I have a 5-year-old to go to. I mean, that girl is sitting there. Who is going to take care of that baby? Jesus Christ. And nobody is trying to talk to me. Okay, I'm not going to know hotel. They need to do that statement back to that man. I didn't go talk to them. I have a 5-year-old girl sitting there to talk to myself. Okay, I'm not going to know that hotel. I need to go to the Qatar Airways at the airport and talk to them. They're putting people on fire. I just talked to somebody to the UK. Are they more special than us? I mean, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. And you guys are talking to them. You're talking to somebody. Okay, so who authorized this?
For this hotel. That is what it is.
I mean, I need to go to the airport and talk to those that are service center. I mean, I have a 5-year-old boss. Can you think about that? And it's in the US. I can have a felony case if the person leaves that baby by herself. Huh? I mean, what the fuck is that?
This one?
I've been traveling all my life. I've never seen this before.
You think your room? You think your room? Or you are thinking? You are still there? Yeah, I'm still there. But you
I mean, we have to go.
Are you black?
Have you heard?
Yeah.
I mean, they will kill me over there.
Tomorrow. I think Rwanda Airways. Tomorrow for I just.
You have to join this car. You're going to go to the hotel first, check in.
But you wanted to go.
Yeah, no problem. So you can check from there. If I have somebody going to the airport, if we have a job to do, then I'll let you know.
Alright guys, so the footage you just saw is one guy who was on the same flight with us, and he's pissed because he's tired of being in the hotel for 48 hours and nothing is happening. Qatar Airways is not reaching out to anybody. We are just here. If you need an information, you go to the front desk of the hotel. For security reasons, I don't know if I should mention the name of the hotel. I mean, nobody's going to do it. I'm posting this video after all this, so yeah, he was angry. I mean, screaming because he has a 5-year-old in the States. You know, he's actually on a transit. He's going to the US, not Qatar. That's not his final destination. So yeah, he was like, he doesn't understand why, because he made a friend on the flight who was also on a transit going to the UK. That person has been taken care of. He's gone. Why is he still around? And he's not getting it. He doesn't know who to talk to, because Qatar Airways doesn't have an office here in Ghana. It's difficult reaching out to their what do you call them? Their workers or anybody. I don't know. I'm not even thinking straight. So that's what you just saw. But apart from that, everything else is cool. The hotel is feeding us, giving us food. I missed my breakfast for twice, but I don't mind. I bought my own food, and lunch is there. I ate lunch, I ate one dinner and all that. So yeah, everything is fine. We're just hoping they give us, because some of us, we don't have enough time. Our days are done. The number of days they gave us are done, and our companies are calling what's happening, and you know, they will think you are just using the benefit of the doubt, or it's even a lie that you had an issue, because nobody will believe this, that the tire of a plane got burst up. I don't know. And this, so we just want to go. That's it. So Qatar Airways is not doing well. They should be reaching out to us here and there and then asking us, what do you want us to do for you and all that. But right now they are saying 1 o'clock we are going to hear from them when we will be flying. They said we'll hear from them at 1 o'clock. So yeah, we are waiting to hear. After 48 hours we are here to hear the 1 o'clock and see if they will tell us, okay, you guys are going at this time and that. So yeah, that's about it. Food is there. Let me show you a video of how they give food and how the hotel, some parts look like and all that. So thank you so much. Yeah, I even enjoy the pool. So yeah, you can't be sad and be sad. So sometimes you just have to try and make yourself happy in a way. So that's about it. So thank you guys. And yeah, talking about the food and all that, you see rolling on your screen is how like we get served. I mean, this is a buffet. You go there, you take whatever you want to eat. Breakfast setup is different, lunch different, dinner also different, like variety of food like you can eat. But you know what, just first 2 days, I mean, when you eat and eat, you start thinking about your work and all that. So yeah, it's not about food, but the food was good. Yeah. And for those of you who don't know what the whole story is about, you can watch the previous video. I explained that in there, what actually happened, how we were traveling with Qatar Airways and we were about to leave, and on the runway the tire of the plane burst, and all of us, after staying on the plane for 5 hours, we had to come down and be lodged at the hotel. And this is all about it. So people got angry. They are tired, you know, you are going somewhere, you are scheduled to do stuff, and now you have to spend some days at the hotel. I mean, it's fun and all that, but when you think about it in the long run, it doesn't help you. So that's the whole thing about the video. Yeah. So yeah, it's all good. In midday we'll be hearing from them concerning when we'll be going. So yeah, thank you for sticking and staying. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel Slide TV and kindly share the video. Thank you so much.
What's up, Sly?
Flight has been cancelled because there was an emergency, so we couldn't take off. Tired.